What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is the latest phone in the S series, came in February this year. It's an expensive phone, but its battery capacity is quite low. 3750 milliamps battery, which gives you talk time up to 29 hours. So this battery may die quicker if you watch videos and play games on it. In this video I will show you guys a couple of ways of saving battery power, and if you need to know more about this phone, its specs and features, then feel free to watch its review video. The link is in the description, and subscribe my channel to get more informative videos like this. It is a short video. Stay connected till the end. This phone has a powerful 6.1-inch display with the refresh rate up to 120 Hz. Screen graphics is amazing, but it takes battery power, which we need to protect. Two things can be done in this case to save the battery. Either you lower down the screen resolution while you are not watching videos and playing games, or you can adjust the refresh rate. So this one has two options in terms of refresh rate: 60 Hz or up to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. So you can select 60 Hz refresh rate, which will save the battery, but your phone might stutter while you are playing the games. Keep Wi-Fi off if you are not using it, because your phone antenna transmits the signal and tries to connect to the routers or with other devices to get the internet, which uses significant battery power. So to turn it off the Wi-Fi, just go to the phone settings and turn it off and turn it back on whenever you want to use it. To save the battery, you can turn on power saving mode. It reduces the background network usage, syncing, location checking, and reduces the refresh rate to 60 Hz. The last but not the least option to save the battery power is to take control of your apps. Most of the apps continue running even though you are not using them, which eats the battery. This phone has a limit apps and home screen option. By turning on, you can maximize power saving, allow only selected apps, limit all background activity, turn off edge panels, and change to a dark theme. So that's all. According to my knowledge, I showed you guys a couple of ways to maximize the phone battery power. Keep in mind that by utilizing these options, you can save the battery, but it may reduce the functionality performance of your phone. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel if this was an informative video for you, and you can get my upcoming videos. So till then, stay safe, take care of yourself and my channel.